Hey, what's up everybody? If you are thinking of trying out Markets.com, which is a trading platform that I'm going to talk about in this video, I'm just going to give a very basic introduction to it. Definitely watch this video from beginning to end first. I'm going to keep this very short and simple. I'm just going to cover some basics that you should definitely know before even trying out the site. And if you end up wanting, based off what you see in this review, wanting to try them out yourself, you can use my promotional link below. What it'll do is it'll bring you to the sign up page for Markets.com with their best sign up offer that's available in your area already basically integrated into your sign up. It'll also allow you to get the best trading fees that the site has to offer, and it's pretty much the best link you're going to find. So again, it's there if you want to use it. With that being said, let's dive into the video. So now Markets.com is yet another online trading platform that opens the door to you trading in a bunch of different assets. I first heard about Markets.com a little while ago, but never actually used it. So seeing that they've won some awards like best trading platform and a couple of others, I thought I should definitely sign up and see what they're all about. So I did, and that's what this video is about. So what is Markets.com? Well, it's an online trading platform that, like I said before, that's been around since 2008 actually. So they've been around for a while. It gives you a way basically to trade assets like currency pairings, commodities, stocks, and over 2,000 different assets. Now, the only downer here is that Markets.com won't let you trade in cryptocurrencies, which you'll have to go somewhere else if you want to buy or sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others. That's a little bit of a bummer, but it is what it is. It's here that I should note also that Markets.com is a CFD trading platform. So what's a CFD? Well, it stands for contract for difference. This basically means that you aren't actually buying the asset, but rather you're betting on the price movements that the asset makes, whether it's going up or down. CFDs can be pretty good because you can get some massive returns out of this leveraged trading, but obviously you can be hit pretty hard also should things go against you. So I should also let you know that CFDs are illegal in the US. Bummer. So traders in the States and even some parts of Canada might not like what they find at Markets.com. So how does Markets.com actually work? Well, you basically get a bunch of different trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5. I personally went for the basic web trader, but this offers you a pretty straightforward way of creating a portfolio, checking the market, and doing all that kind of stuff. There's also a Markets.com app that you can download for iOS and Android devices if you like a lazier way to speculate. Now, obviously you have to create an account before anything else. It's very easy. You just provide an email address, you make a password, you verify your account. I verified mine with the proof of identity. That was it. This didn't take too long, and I'm guessing my login, overall was approved in about 2 hours. Okay, now once you get your account set up, you obviously need to add some money to it. There are only 3 ways of doing this, unfortunately. So you're gonna have to use a Visa, MasterCard, or bank transfer. Now, to be fair, this isn't too bad because I have seen some trading sites where you can only make a bank transfer. So this is actually pretty decent. There's at least some options. Now, just remember that you can only make an opening deposit from $100 at a time, which might sound steep, but it's a standard amount for most online trading sites these days. Now, just so you know, once you've made something back from your investments, you can withdraw from $10 at a time via card or $100 via bank transfer. Markets.com won't charge you any money for making withdrawals, which is really nice. Now, once I had gotten the money into my account, I was ready to start trading, right? I started off by checking out the price movements of some big tech stocks like Amazon, Apple, Facebook, so on. I know that Apple had a big quarterly report coming up, so I made a bet that the price of Amazon would go up. So here you're not actually buying Amazon stock, as the stock is worth well over $2,000 per unit. Instead, I'm just speculating on a CFD of Amazon stock. Thankfully, my prediction came true and I got a little return. Just so you know, the maximum leverage at Markets.com can go up to 30 times your initial stake, so it can get pretty interesting. Okay, now this all sounds good so far, but can you actually trust Markets.com with your money? Well, I saw that the site actually was backed by a FTSE 250 subsidiary, which is a good measure of trust. Markets.com is also regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, which basically means that this isn't some scam site that's going to run off with your money. They can't do that. I also found that Markets.com has a customer support team that actually bothers to look after its customers. I had a bit of an issue when trying to make a deposit this one time and found that I could just hit the live chat icon, which quickly got my question answered. It was actually a mistake that I was making. The only problem here is that Markets.com customer support is only open on weekdays. Now, something else I want to mention is that Markets.com actually has a bunch of other different trading tools that are way more advanced than a casual trader like me or perhaps you watching this could ever use. But just so you know, though, there is something called the Knowledge Center, which supposedly gives you advice about how to trade online. So that might be worth taking a look at. Markets.com also has a pretty cool demo mode. So this is where you can speculate on the markets with virtual funds. I tried this before actually depositing real funds, and it gave me an easy way to kind of figure out how to navigate the site actually. That's pretty much it, guys. I know this was very, very basic. It was a very basic 101 introduction to Markets.com. It definitely was really fun as I was exploring it. I saw that there was a lot you could do. Again, if you want to test it out yourself, that link down below will get you the best promotional offer that they have for your area, and I'll see you in the next review, guys.